Hi friends. Being a doctor, it pains me if anybody dies from pandemic because of lack of oxygen. Because it is, I feel, out of ignorance. It is all ignorance if we die because of oxygen deficiency. It can be easily averted. Hi, I am Amanish Saini, an Ayurvedic doctor and alternative medicine specialist, and today I'll be telling you about the top 3 exercises which can save the situation and respiratory emergencies straight away. And this is from our channel Fight Back Against COVID through Body Intelligence. If you like it, you can subscribe it. So, let us go into the true cause of this situation, of this people dying of oxygen deficiency. So friends, what is the true cause is not shortage of oxygen actually in an environment. It is because of oxygenation, lack of oxygenation of the cells within our body, whether it is whole body or lungs. First primary is lungs, lack of oxygenation in lungs. That is the true cause. Now, oxygenation of lungs can be improved in many ways. One of the ways, you must have seen in prone position, it increases. Now, I'll be telling you the evidence based other top ways to increase the oxygenation. Now, first, I would like to mention here is pursed lip breathing that addresses the shortness of breath. Whenever there is shortness of breath, you can do this at home also. What you have to do is sit straight and inhale through nose and exhale through mouth. Inhale uh, through nose like this, exhale through mouth. Roughly, exhale should be double the inhale time. So, like this, you carry on for 3 to 5 minutes, and you will see that your shortness of breath disappears and the anxiety and panic all subsides. When you concentrate on your breathing, all the panic just subsides. So this is the first technique. Second technique I would like to mention here is chest mobilization, and it is very important in these respiratory emergencies. What you have to do is you just place your fingers on the chest and start rotating the chest muscles like this from here in the front portion, and then you can go to the back portion also from here like this. So all you have to mobilize or rotate the local muscles surrounding the lungs. This way, all the secretions will be set aside and muscles will start activating. So once muscle starts working, the oxygenation automatically improves straight away. It is very instant technique, and we have found very effective in respiratory emergencies. So after this technique, you can even go on left side stretch, right side stretch while mobilizing. You can stretch also, lateral stretch, this and front and back. So in all four directions one can go like this, and this can be a very preventive step also toward against COVID, because it cannot it can stop spreading of virus in the lungs easily. And when lungs are strong enough for this movement, no virus can then multiply like what it is doing now. So in the end, third technique, let us learn that third technique also, that is diaphragmatic stretch. Here we have to like activate diaphragm muscle, which is a respiratory muscle. What you have to do is just trace the xiphoid process here, where the sternum and this breastbone ends. This is xiphoid process, and come to the like sides below the ribs, end of the ribs. Now just put your hands like this, fingers inside the uh, below the ribs, and now with the exhale just push it inside, push it like inside. When you exhale, you push it inside. So the idea is your fingers should be behind the ribs. Go behind the ribs and push towards outside like this, or upwards. So this activates the diaphragm muscle, and diaphragm is a respiratory muscles, and out of this reflex, this instantly improves respiration and controls respiratory emergencies. It is very good in asthmatic conditions also. So these techniques should be like we should be aware of these techniques and take care of our own health at home also, so not to depend upon emergencies like medical oxygen. We can do these things before that. We don't have to wait, and you will see in most of the cases we can reverse this picture, and we need not like depend upon oxygen or medical oxygen or ventilators. So these, if we like go through these three techniques, we can like fight back against COVID in a better way. Thanks friends. If you like this channel or information, just subscribe it so that we can bring you more of this body intelligence which can fight COVID in a better way. Thanks.